Well, made a little progress on the Mule this weekend. Getting things raised up off the ground a bit. You can see the rear wheels are the old wheels, and I didn't do anything on the back end of the vehicle, but on the front I've installed 2 new rims and 2 new tires and a lift kit and also wheel spacers. So the back tires are 23-inch diameter on 10-inch diameter rims, and the front ones are now 26-inch diameter tires on 12-inch rims. They're the same width as the old ones. The tires have a much more aggressive tread on them. This is more of a utility or turf tread, and I'm told this will make quite a difference in terms of traction. But in addition to the replacement of the tires and rims, I've got 1.5-inch wheel spacers on each side, making the total width 3 inches wider. And then I've got underneath, I've installed a stiffer spring on the existing strut, and then a 2-inch spacer on the top of that pushes the body up a couple inches. So overall, I've got quite a lot more clearance underneath. I can't quantify it right now, but it looks visibly quite a bit better. And you can see just even the slope of this vehicle, you know, it sits much lower in the back than it does in the front. So I think this is a good improvement.